You have to, and Captain Miles is the same way. You have to come back and say, Captain Trost, did you really just ask me to take down the signal flags? And then I'll probably be like, what the hell are you talking about? Okay, good. Now we're back on the same page.
Why the hell would you take down the signal?
Yes, take that Bravo.
It was during the base, so you told me exactly what I needed to know, and then I knew I was going to wake you up in the next like 3 minutes anyway. So, because like what you wanted to be woken up for, it was like every 3 minutes.
No, we had a series of horrible nights without sleep in Sullivan at one stage when Leanne was filling in as second mate, and we were anchored in the mooring field off of Fleming Key in Key West. We were very tight in there because we wanted to make the small boat run to shore closer. That meant we were in a situation where we had other boats that, in the right swinging conditions, we might actually make contact with. So at the change of the tide, we specifically had her on the watch because I wanted to know what was going on, and she came to me and started to explain the situation. We had a detailed conversation about what's the distance off the quarter of this boat and everything going on. And I remember all of this, and then I remember being very, very tired. And as we were talking, I remember falling asleep while I was talking. Like I actually knew I was doing it. And in that interval, I said, Get yourself a hotel room, read a newspaper, you're a character. And she came back and said, what the hell are you talking about? Which is exactly the right response, because otherwise that doesn't make any sense. And in your case, it was a lot closer to the actual reality of like, because we don't have signal flags set.
Therefore,
Captain Miles gets into that same mode when
he yelled at Maddie about Gallon or something one time. And like he's like, you need to piss me off so much that I yell at you, and then I'll be awake. It's like,
That's a